Hi guys, it's Allie Johnson from Smart Move Real Estate here, and I love to share awesome tech tips and geeky things. And one of the geeky things that I have and use and love is a browser extension called Honey, and Honey saves me a ton of money. So I'm just going to go through real quick. Papa John's is a great place to use it. So once you're on a checkout page, this pop-up will come up and it will be from Honey, and it tries all the coupon codes for you. I think last night we saved 10 bucks. So these are all coupon codes from across the nation. I don't have time to go hunt those. You don't either. Anyway, so it applied the best one, which is great. So Papa John's is a nice place to use it. But if you come over to Amazon, it's going to show you if it's the best deal and the price changes. And sometimes there are coupons on it as well. And you can set within the next 60 days or next however long that you want, if it drops below a certain price. Anyway, so you can watch it, and then you can also view the price history of any item, which is great. So we look down here. Oh, looks like it went up right before or after Black Friday, actually. Anyway, to look inside of your account, you can also earn Honey Gold, which is basically like cash back. And it tells you also how much that you've saved recently and some of the best deals that are going on right now. So pretty sweet if you have an eye towards getting the deals. Here's how you get it. You go to the Chrome web store at chrome.google.com, or you can go to joinhoney.com and then just add it to your browser. I joined. I didn't have to sign up. I did later sign up, but they don't send me anything. Like it's totally incognito. It's just a cool money saving feature, and I thought I'd share it with y'all. Thanks.